Hello there, I'm about to demonstrate to you how to put on a screen protector on an iPhone 6, 7 and 8. First, purchase yourself a good screen protector. You have your phone, iPhone 6 we have here. Inside the packet you get the screen protector, plus you get two of these. One's wet wipes and the other one is a dry wipe. First I'm going to open the wet wipes. I'm going to clean the screen. Give it a good clean so there's no dirt on the screen. Next I'm going to open the dry wipe. Make sure you get it extremely dry. Once you've done that, as you can see with the screen protector, you have a peeler which helps you peel protector like that. Then you position it starting at the top where the camera is. Lightly put this protector down. Once you've lined it up with the home button, and then you leave it, push it down. Do the last few bits in the bottom, and that's how you put a screen protector on.